Everyone thought this old truck was finished, forgotten forever in a scrapyard. Just seconds before being crushed into scrap metal, everything changed. What started as a broken 1990 truck was about to become a modern off-road monster. Layer by layer, the forgotten truck transformed into a glossy black beast. This wasn't just a restoration, it was built to dominate every road ahead. From abandoned scrapyard survivor to the king of the muddy off-road trails.
This old 1990 Ford F-150 XLT had been forgotten for decades, left alone in a scrapyard where broken machines waited for their final end. Once built to work hard on American roads, now it sat abandoned, damaged by time, rust, and endless storms. No one believed this truck could ever move again. Its story seemed finished long ago. The interior was slowly being consumed by nature. Every corner carried memories from another lifetime. In this place, old vehicles didn't get repaired. They disappeared forever. But deep beneath the rust and silence, the soul of this truck was still alive. One final inspection before the truck would be marked for destruction.
The old hood hadn't been opened in years, maybe decades. Everything inside looked exhausted, worn out by time, rain, and abandonment. The cabin still carried traces of its past, silent memories trapped beneath layers of dust. For most people, this truck was already finished. But something about this forgotten truck felt different, like it still had one last story left to tell. The crusher was finally ready, and the old Ford was next in line. With every pull forward, the truck moved closer to disappearing forever. Then suddenly, someone arrived who saw more than just rust and broken metal. Beneath the decay, he could still see strength hiding inside the old truck. Everyone else saw scrap metal, but he saw the beginning of something extraordinary. For the first time in years, the old Ford was leaving the scrapyard alive. The restoration had finally begun, and every damaged piece would need to come apart. Years of rust fought against every bolt, but the truck slowly began revealing its true structure. Piece by piece, the old body was stripped away from its forgotten skeleton. The exhausted engine that once carried heavy loads across countless roads finally took its last breath. Inside the cabin, decades of dust, damage, and forgotten memories were removed one layer at a time. By the end of the night, nothing remained except the bare frame of a truck waiting to be reborn. The vision was now clear. This forgotten 1990 truck would return as something far more powerful than anyone imagined. Underneath decades of rust and damage, the real foundation of the truck was finally exposed. The restoration truly began the moment the rust started disappearing. Every inch of corrosion carried years of neglect, and every blast brought the truck back to life. For the first time in decades, clean steel could finally breathe again. What once looked ready for destruction was beginning to resemble a machine worth saving. With the rust finally gone, the foundation was prepared for a completely new future. The old frame was strong again, but it still needed to handle the power of a modern machine. Custom steel reinforcements were built from scratch, designed to transform the truck into something far stronger than before. Every weld added new life to the aging chassis, strengthening the bones of the truck. The new suspension system demanded stronger foundations, capable of carrying massive wheels and modern power. Modern engineering slowly replaced decades of weakness hidden beneath the old truck. Precision mattered now. Every detail had to be perfect for what this truck would become. The forgotten 1990 chassis was no longer weak and broken. It had become the foundation of a modern beast. The next transformation would completely change the truck's stance and its entire presence. To create the aggressive height of a modern off-road machine, the suspension had to be rebuilt from the ground up. Custom suspension arms were installed to handle larger wheels, rough terrain, and the truck's future power. The massive coilovers would give the truck both strength and smooth control, no matter the terrain. Every new component was designed for durability, preparing the truck for a completely new identity. For the first time, the old truck finally stood taller than it ever had before. The forgotten Ford was no longer just a restoration project. It was becoming a towering modern machine. Every panel was custom built, combining classic truck proportions with modern aggressive styling. Massive fenders were built to match the truck's towering stance and oversized wheels. The truck's shape was now completely reborn, smoother, stronger, and far more aggressive. Modern lighting replaced the old broken lamps, giving the truck a sharp, futuristic identity. What was once a forgotten scrapyard truck now stood as the skeleton of a modern legend. The transformation had reached its most critical stage, where the truck would receive its new identity. Every surface had to be flawless, because even the smallest imperfection would show beneath the black finish. Before the final black finish could be applied, every inch of the body had to be perfected. Layer by layer, the surface was smoothed, polished, and prepared to become flawless, like glass. The first layer of black brought the truck back to life, darker, sharper, and more powerful than ever before. Layer after layer, the black finish became deeper, richer, and almost liquid under the lights. The reflections were now perfectly smooth, like black glass wrapped around a modern beast. The heat sealed the paint permanently, locking in the truck's aggressive new appearance. What once sat rusting in a scrapyard now looked like a luxury machine built for the future. The truck finally reached the stage that would define its aggressive presence, massive wheels built for power. These oversized wheels weren't built for ordinary roads. They were built to dominate every terrain. Each wheel transformed the truck's stance, making it taller, wider, and far more intimidating. The giant rear wheels completed the truck's muscular silhouette. With the final bolts secured, the transformation was nearly complete. The forgotten scrapyard truck had evolved into something unstoppable, a towering black beast built to command attention. To create true luxury, the cabin first had to become silent from the outside world. Handcrafted leather seats transformed the truck from a work machine into a luxury experience. Modern technology replaced the aging controls, giving the truck a completely new identity inside. Subtle ambient lighting brought warmth and sophistication into every corner of the cabin. Every detail inside the cabin was designed to feel modern, powerful, and refined. The forgotten truck that once sat abandoned in a scrapyard now carried the comfort and technology of a modern luxury machine. After months of rebuilding, the moment had finally arrived to awaken the truck for the very first time. Power flowed through the machine once again, reconnecting life to the truck's modern heart. For the first time in decades, the truck was ready to speak again. The entire workshop fell silent, waiting for the first heartbeat of the new machine. The old scrapyard truck no longer sounded weak or broken. It sounded powerful, modern, and unstoppable. What was once abandoned and forgotten had finally returned stronger than anyone ever imagined. For the first time, the finished truck was finally ready to face the outside world. The abandoned scrapyard truck had transformed into a machine that commanded attention from every angle. The sharp new lighting gave the truck a presence that felt both futuristic and intimidating. Every reflection across the black paint told the story of how far the truck had come. What once looked forgotten and broken now looked like a modern luxury beast built to rule the night. The truck no longer carried the scars of its past, only the confidence of its new identity. From rusted scrapyard survivor to a towering black masterpiece of modern power,